Chapter 2. More on MS Windows 7. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program that is efficient for viewing files and folders in MS Windows. It is suitable for viewing files and folders in a hierarchical order. Windows Explorer is very helpful for efficiently organizing files and folders that are stored in different disk drives of a computer. Opening Windows Explorer. To start Windows Explorer, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Start button. Step 2. Click the All Programs option. Step 3. Click the Accessories option. Step 4. Click the Windows Explorer option. The Windows Explorer window appears as shown. Menu control bar, right pane, details pane, navigation pane. The Windows Explorer screen is divided vertically into two parts or panes, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane displays disk drives and folders in a hierarchical order. The right pane displays the contents of the folder or drive that is selected on left side pane. You see this and this signs in front of a disk drive or folder name. A sign indicates that the folder contains subfolders. If you click the sign, it shows the subfolders inside, and at the same time, the sign changes to sign. This process is called expanding of a folder. If you click the sign which is in front of a folder, the expanded subfolders collapse back. The menu control bar has many options to work with files and folders. The details pane displays the details like size, type, etc. of the selected item. Libraries in Windows 7. Libraries are user-defined collections of content. It is a kind of folder in a Windows 7 used to manage documents, music, pictures, and other files. A library gathers files that are stored in several locations but hide the actual location. You can browse your files the same way as you would do in a folder. When you open Windows Explorer, you see the Libraries folder selected on the left pane by default. Double-click on the required library from the right pane to open it. Document Library, Music Library, Pictures Library, Videos Library. Remember, you can use the back and forward buttons present in menu control bar of Windows Explorer to go back or forward. Changing view of files and folders. You can view the files and folders in different ways and arrange them according to your choice. The Change Your View option in menu control bar contains several options. Let us discuss each of them. Extra large icons. This option displays your files and folders as extra large icons. Large icons. This option displays your files and folders as large icons. Medium icons. This option displays your files and folders as medium icons. Small icons. This option displays your files and folders as small icons. List. This option displays the list of files and folders preceded by small icons. This view is very useful when your folder contains too many files and you want to view the list for a file name. Details. This option lists the files and folders with detailed information about your files, including name, type, size, and date modified. Tiles. This option displays your files and folders as icons. The icons are larger than those in List view and Details view, and the information is displayed under the file or folder name. Content. This option displays your files and folders in content format with name, type, and size information. Organizing files and folders in Windows Explorer. Let us learn about the various options in Windows Explorer. Opening files and folders. Open option appears in the menu control bar when you select a file or folder or a drive in Windows Explorer. To open a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the folder. Step 2. Click the Open option to open all files and folders inside the selected folder. Creating new folders. New folder option is used to create a new empty folder in a currently selected folder. To create a new folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the folder from the left pane. Step 2. Click the New Folder option from Menu Control bar. Step 3. New folder icon appears on the right pane. Now, type a suitable name for the folder. Renaming files and folders. Rename option in the Organize menu on the Menu Control bar is used to change the name of existing file or folder. To rename any file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder. Step 2. Click the Rename option from Organize menu. Step 3. Type a new name for the file and folder.
Selecting all files, folders. Select All option is used to select all the files and folders present in a folder or drive. To select all the files and folders, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Organize menu. Step 2. Click the Select All option from the drop-down list that appears. All the files and folders get selected.
Note: to select non-adjacent files or folders randomly, hold down Ctrl key and click on the required files. Deleting files and folders. Delete option in the Organize menu is used to delete selected files or folders. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select one or more files or folders. Step 2. Click Delete option from the Organize menu. A Delete Folder dialog box appears. Step 3. Click Yes to delete. The file gets deleted and moved to the recycle bin. Moving files or folders. Cut Paste option is used to move file and folders from one location and paste at another location. To move a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select one or more files or folders. Step 2. Click the Cut option from the Organize menu. Step 3. Now, select the folder location where you want to move the file or folder. Step 4. Click Paste option from Organize menu. You see the file pasted at the desired location. Copying files and folders. Copy option is used to copy a file or folder and paste it at another location. To copy, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select one or more files or folders. Step 2. Click Copy option from Organize menu. Step 3. Now, select the folder location where you want to copy the file or folder. Step 4. Click the Paste option from Organize menu. You see the file pasted at the desired location. Viewing properties of files and folders. Properties option is used to check the properties of any file or folder. To check the properties of any file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder. Step 2. Click the Properties option in Organize menu. A Properties dialog box appears. Now, you can check out the properties.
Do you know, the Preview pane, if activated, displays the preview of the selected file. To activate it, click Organize menu, Layout option, Preview pane.
Creating shortcut on desktop. Creating shortcut on desktop allows you to access the item that the shortcut links to. You can create a shortcut of a file or folder or a program. To create a shortcut, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the file or folder. Step 2. Right-click on file or folder and select Send to option. Step 3. Select the desktop Create shortcut to copy a folder on the desktop.
Do you know shortcuts are a convenient way to open any file, program without going to the actual location of the file. You can create shortcut of any file at any location, such as inside a folder or on the desktop.
Grouping files and folders. Group by option organizes files and folders by breaking them into different sections, depending on different parameters such as name, date modified, type, size, etc.
To group your files, folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right-click on one empty area of the window and select the Group by option from the list that appears.
Step 2. Select one of the many available options.
Name. It organizes files and folders in alphabetical order by their name. Date modified. It arranges icons in the ascending order of modification date. The files or folders that was last opened or modified comes at last position in the list. Type. It organizes files and folders according to their file type. For example, when you have several folders in a drive, they will be arranged next to each other. Size. It organizes files and folders in order of file size.
Do you know, the Sort by option is used to arrange the icons of a file, folder according to different parameters such as name, size, item type and date modified.
On-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard is a feature provided by Windows 7 to write or create documents using on-screen keyboard in place of the keyboard that is input device attached to the system. Step 1. Click Start button. Step 2. Click All programs. Step 3. Click the Accessories option. Step 4. Click the Ease of Access option. Step 5. Now, click on On-screen keyboard. The on-screen keyboard appears. Step 6. Now, type using the mouse or another pointing device by just clicking the required key. CD burning. CD burning is the process of copying files to CD or DVD. To burn a CD, you require a recordable CD drive or DVD drive, a writable CD-ROM, a CD burning software like Nero installed on your computer. To burn a CD with Nero, follow the given steps. Step 1. Insert CD in CD-ROM drive. Step 2. Now, open the Nero software by double-clicking its icon from the desktop. Click Data Burning option from the starting screen. Step 3. Click Browse button and select the required files. Step 4. Click Burn option to write the files in the CD.
Step 5. After the completion of the burning process, Data Disk Burning dialog box appears. This dialog box displays the confirmation message of the successful completion of the burning process. Now, click the OK button. Your data gets copied to the CD. Do you know? Nero is a CD, DVD burning software used to copy files to a CD or a DVD. You need to install Nero software in Windows operating system before using it.
You have finished the chapter.